All right. If you just purchased DeepWork OS, congratulations on making a decision that most people think about but never act on. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to walk you through every single part of this system. So by the time this video ends, you will know exactly what to do tomorrow morning, next morning, Monday morning, whenever you decide to start. Let's get into it. This is your DeepWork OS. You have 4 pages here. Start here is where you are right now, here, and it is your complete guide. The daily command center is the page you open every single morning. The weekly output review is your Sunday check-in, and the 90-day output vault is your proof engine. After 30 days, this page will show you exactly how far you've come, and I hope you are able to do this for just 30 days. And once you are in it for 7 days and you see your growth, I'm so sure you wouldn't want to stop. So let's get into it. First, if you're yet to duplicate this, you should do that right now. And this is how you do it. You click on the dots in the top right corner and then click on duplicate. It's Ctrl D for Windows and it should be Command D for iOS, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so duplicate and there you go. There you go. So daily command center. This is the heart of the system. You open this every single morning before you do anything else. It has 4 sections. Let me show you this. This power start, you can generate it by clicking this button, this new day button. And also, once you're done for today, you can hide it as well. I created that just as to keep the page clean enough. So you have 3 questions in the power starts. You have 3 questions. Question 1, ask for your one non-negotiable, not your to-do list. One thing, the thing that if you complete nothing else today still counts as a win. Just that one thing. Question 2, ask what a winning day looks like. Be specific here. Not to be productive, say finish the client report or complete 2 hours of backtesting. I mean, I used backtesting because I trade as well. Question 3, ask what you are protecting your energy from. Name the distraction, your phone, social media. My own used to be X. I could be on X from morning till evening. But then I was able to overcome that. Social media, a specific person, whatever it is, name it. Naming it gives you power over it. Next is your DeepWork blocks, and you create a new page here and you can just give it the name of your task. I'm just going to do this one. And also on today's task, you're just going to create today's task and you can click on the priority, must do, status, completed today, and yeah, and then come on. Okay, let me fill it up. And in progress, yeah. And today's task, there we have it. And then the date, and then the start and end time. Let's say you start 1200 and 1400, which gives you, let's say, 2 hours. So you put out there and then automatically you see the sum. If you had a new page and the duration is also like 2 hours, you're going to have sum is 4 hours. And that is useful. We are going to get down to that part. And the status is in progress. And then you output or deliverable, you write it out. And the focus quality, interrupted, shallow, deep, you have to be honest with yourself. You're putting the right one and completed today. It's going to show there because you are able to fill up a page and it's going to show 1. So, and the last one here. And here we have it, the last part of this daily command center, which is the evening. And you can just click on this button to generate this shutdown ritual every evening. click on this, and yeah, there you have it. And you have 3 questions here that you have to answer genuinely, honestly, because only you know. Did I honor my non-negotiable? Yes or no? Only you can answer that truthfully. And Total Day podcast will be right in front of you under the duration and sum, and what carries into tomorrow. What is the task that you couldn't finish today that you must get done tomorrow? You let it known and you push it on to the next day. You don't have to feel bad about not finishing everything. And you just have to fill this in before you close Notion tonight. This is what I call fulfillment. This is how you go to bed proud. This right here. And yeah, you can add this just like the power starts, and that is that on that. Now let's go onto weekly output review. You just have to open this page. Sorry. Open this page every Sunday. Takes 15 minutes maximum. At the top, you'll see this week's deep work blocks. This automatically pulls in everything you logged this week from the daily command center. No copy paste, no manual work, just your week laid out in front of you. As you can see, what we worked on the daily momentum. On the daily, we have it here automatically. Name, deep work, the date, everything is there. And then this week's numbers, you have this here, and then you just have to go through this. And this is basically just to update you, give you heads up ahead of the new week below. And there I go, pressing the button, create a new one. There you have it. So these are everything that needs to be filled. Total deep work hours this week, biggest win this week. What drew my focus most? My one focus for next week. Goals it's this week. Still 0 because we are yet to update the status. So that is basically that. And also you can make your page clean by keeping this here. And that is that on our weekly until 90-day output vault. This page is your proof engine. Here you have your output snapshot here. 4 numbers that tell your whole story. Total deep work hours, goals completed, consistency score, and major wins. And this is how to update your snapshot. You can, in case you're confused or anything, go through that again. And yeah, and as you can see, you have your wins board here. You have your deep work blocks. This is basically to show you everything you did, and it's not as long. This is just everything you need. Day logged, focus, quality, duration, because these are what you need to fill in. These are what you need to update. So you have that here. So your wins bar, every time something significant happens, you ship a project, just like I did. I wrote here, built my DeepWork OS. You ship your project, and every time you click on new page and update it. After 30 days, this board becomes a gallery of everything you've achieved. You screenshot it, share it. That image will inspire people around you, to inspire you yourself. And one more thing, and here you have it, the table. Here you have the table, and this is where you can see your win count. This is where you can see your win count. There's no way to make that visible on the gallery, but you know how you can access that now through this video. And at the bottom, you have your 3 big quarterly goals. You replace my first big goal, my second big goal, my third big goal. You replace them with your real goals. Update the progress percentage every week. These are your North Stars. Every deep work block you log should be moving at least one of these forward. So that is basically everything. And I'm just going to answer common questions. Let me quickly answer the questions most people have when they first start. What if I miss a day? Just come back the next day, click new day and start fresh. The system doesn't punish you for missing. it just waits for you. It just needs 3 days, 7 days consistency, and it's going to carry you just by seeing it every morning. Question 2. How many deep work blocks should I log per day? Start with one. One focus session of 90 minutes or more. That is enough to feel the difference. Build up over time. Question 3. What if my block score formula shows 0? Make sure you filled in both duration and focus quality on the block. Both fields are needed for the formula to calculate. Question 4. My weekly view is showing empty. Why? Check the date on your DeepWork blocks is set to today's date or within the week. Entries without a date won't appear in the weekly filter. But I don't expect it to come up with such issue because I believe as you can see, I believe I've done everything possible for you, because once you start a new day, click on date for that day, it's going to be there automatically. And yeah, I believe we have covered everything. That is the complete DeepWork OS 3 pages, one system built around one truth. You are not lazy. You just didn't have a structure that made starting easy. Now you do. Your only job starting tomorrow morning or when you decide to start, but I would want you to start as soon as possible. Your only job starting tomorrow morning is this. Open the daily command center, click new day, fill in your power start. That is it. The rest follows. I'll see you on the other side. Peace.